welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a hair tutorial and I'm going to be showing you guys how I curl my hair. So if you want to learn how I do that, just keep on watching. So I will start out with my hair straight, and also my hair is pretty long. I have extensions. I have the NBR extensions, and I don't know if you can see, it's like, that's like a row right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I also need to get them moved up because they're growing out, but I've had these for a while now and I really like them. I get mine with Carly at local salon here in Reno, so if you want to get some, go check her out. She does a great job. Funny story, I used to not know like how to curl my hair good. I would always like go get my hair done and then she would curl it like so good, and I could never do that. But now I feel like so much better at it, so I wanted to do this little video showing you guys how I do it. So let's get started. I'm going to be using 3 products. This is just a heat protectant spray, the Tresemme one, and then I also have their hairspray, and then in this powder to add volume to your hair. I got this in a package from, I have no idea, but I've been using it and it works so good. It's like a little like that. I don't know if you see that, but yeah, those are all the products I'm going to be using. Then I have this little mini wet brush and a scrunchie and another hair tie. I don't know why. And then the curling iron I'm going to use is this Conair one. It's like rose gold and white, and I just got this at Target and it works perfect for me, so this is the one I always use. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. So since I have so much hair with my extensions and everything, I like to section it up in 3 sections. So I'm gonna do that. So I get the bottom section, and this is actually just my actual hair without the extensions. And then I just go ahead and put the rest up just in a random bun. I'm gonna use this hair tie to tie it. So that's how that looks. And this is my actual hair, so it's way shorter as you can see, but yeah, so we're gonna start with that. So I'm going to do, like, I like my curls to be kind of like messy, like loose, so that's what I'm going to do today. And I like grabbing really small sections, so like this small, and then I get my curling iron, and I like, since I want them like messy, I'm gonna do some away from my face and some towards my face. So I'm gonna start with the ones going away from my face. And what I do, I put it in there, I turn it a little, and then I leave like all this out. So I basically only want like 1 curl in the curling iron, and then after like a few seconds I take that curl out and then I put another one in there, and I wait another few seconds, and then I take that one out, and then I put another curl, and then I like to leave like a little bit out so it can be straight at the ends. So yeah, and then I take that out, and this is how the curl looks. And I'm just gonna leave it like that because at the end I like to brush them out. So that's basically what I'm gonna do all around. So I feel like to get the types of curls that I do, the key is to get like really small sections. So you put it in there, you twist one time to only get one like curl in there. I don't even know if this makes sense. And then you wait a while, then you take that curl out, and then you wrap another one in there, and then out, and then the last one. So that's basically like what I do, and this is how the curl is going to look. But at the end it'll look so much better because we'll brush it out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this whole section, and yeah.
We stay together now until forever. Just us. Said we wouldn't be like all the others, fight and hurt each other. Not us. But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, But we let each other down, yeah. Yeah, we let each other down, This shouldn't be us.
So now I'm doing the other side of that same section, and remember, but always do like the ones framing your face away from your face, if you know what I mean. I feel like that just looks better. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this section and then move up so I can show you guys how I curl like the really long hair with the extensions. So I'm done with the first section, and this is how the curls look, and they look kind of weird, but we're just gonna leave them like that because at the end, once I'm all done, I brush them out. And yeah, so now I'm gonna do the other section. And I also forgot, I didn't even put the heat protecting spray on that section but I'll put it on the next ones. Now this section is gonna have both my actual hair and the extension hair, and I put the curls that I already did in the back and then the new section in the front. Then I'm gonna brush it out, and I'm actually gonna put heat protectant on this time. I just spray it and then brush it out. So I'm going to do the same thing I was doing. I'm gonna get really small sections, like this small, and then I'm gonna get my curling iron and put it in there and twist one time, and then wait a few seconds. Then I'm gonna take that curl out and then go down and twist again. And I don't even know if I'm explaining this right. You kind of just have to like see what I'm doing, and then take that out and then go down, do one more, and this is the extension hair, so it's way longer, and then one last time, and then remember to leave some out at the end so the ends can be straight, and then you take it out, and that's how the curl looks. Also, sometimes I curl all of them away from my face if you want like a less messy look, but either way looks good. I'm just doing this way today. So take it out go down and wrap one time. I think it's pretty simple, like once you get the hang of it. And then at the end, just like that. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest, and I'll show you guys how I do it for the little hairs, like framing my face, because I do those a little bit different. But yeah. Also, I don't get so close to my roots. I do it like that far since I don't want them like super curly and I want them more like wavy-ish. So yeah.
Yeah, we let each other down, down, down. Oh, we let each other down, 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 yeah.
And now this side is done, and that's how the curls look so far. So now I'm gonna finish this side. And curling your hair this way looks good even if you have like shorter hair. I took my extensions off for a while and I curled my hair the same way and it still looked pretty good. So it doesn't really matter if you have like shorter or longer hair. I feel like you can do it both ways. So yeah. Okay, now it's time to do the last section.
We thought that we were better than all of the others. Just us. Said we would let things come between us. Let love rule, not be us, not us, not us. But we let each other down, 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 down. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. But we let each other down, 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 down.
So I'm all done with this side. Just need this little piece in the front, and since I don't want it super curly, I just pretty much do this. So it's very fast, and that's how it ends up looking. I don't really hold it on the curling iron. So now this side is done, so I'm gonna finish this side really quick and then show you guys when I like brush it out and all that. Done curling it, and as you can see, the curls look like very like curly, I guess. So now that's why I'm gonna brush it out and add some hairspray and all that. So I'm using the Tresemme hairspray, the level 2, and I love this hairspray because it doesn't really make your hair like hard or like sticky or whatever, but it still holds like your curls. So I'm just gonna spray it all over. And then right after I go through and brush my hair. So the extensions I have hold the curls like really good, so that's why I don't mind like brushing it. But if your hair doesn't really hold curls really good, then I would probably just recommend like going in with your fingers slightly and just doing this. But I like to brush mine out, and as you can see, the curls look more like wavy now. And those are the type of curls that I like. And then to add a little more volume, I'm gonna use this powder. Where is this from? I want to tell you guys where this is from, but I have no idea. Is the brand Design Me? Because that's like the only thing it says. I'll link it if you guys want to get it. So I'll just get some hair, lift it up, and then spray the powder in there. And then rub it. And I'll do that all around. And it just adds like a little more volume. But yeah, that's pretty much all. And I love how these curls look. I think they are so cute, so perfect for the summer. And yeah, so I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all in the back. So this is how it looks from the back. I can't really see, but hopefully you guys can see it good. But yeah, that's how I curl my hair. And like I said, if you want to do all the curls away from your face, that works perfect too. I do that sometimes and it looks good. It'll just look like a little more like less messy, I guess. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you like understood what I was trying to say. It's pretty simple once you like get the hang of it. So if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you try this method out and you like post a picture on your story on Instagram or whatever, you can tag me so I can see. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and all that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.